This is Science Mentor. In this lesson, you will learn different wildcards and ways of using them in filters and searches in Excel. Wildcards in Excel are the special Excel characters that take the place of the characters in it. Excel has three wildcards: an asterisk, question mark, and tilde. Asterisk is used for multiple numbers of characters in Excel, while a question mark represents only a single character. In contrast, the tilde is the identification of the wildcard characters. Press Ctrl F to launch the Find and Replace dialog box. A single question mark matches exactly one character. Check Match Entire Cell Contents to exclude partial matches. You can use two question marks to match any two characters. I use three question marks to match any three characters, but there is no cell that contains exactly three characters word. I do the same for four characters. An asterisk matches a series of zero or more characters. I use AB asterisk to find all cells that start with the text AB. Also, I write asterisk AN to find all cells that end with the text AN. Tilde is used to literally indicate the asterisk and question mark characters. If you use it linearly, Excel will go to the end of a spreadsheet. Also, you can use it to find the text that you want. For example, if I use it before ID, Excel will exactly find what says that is ID. Finally, if you put your text into two asterisks, Excel will find all text that contains that specific text. For example, I use AI to find all cells that contain AI. Thank you for liking this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for the latest videos.